In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Google Ads with Ga4. Linking Google Ads with Ga4 is a potent move for marketers and business owners alike. It not only enhances your ability to track the success of your ads, but also gives you deep insights into how visitors interact with your website after clicking on your ad. This seamless integration allows for more informed decision making and can significantly amplify your marketing efforts. Let's begin by navigating your way to the Google Ads overview page. This is your starting ground, the dashboard from which all your Google Ads magic happens. You might already be familiar with it, but if you're not, no worries, it's pretty straightforward. From here, our next step involves the Tools section. If you hover over Tools on the navigation bar, you'll find it houses a myriad of options. These tools are designed to help you manage and analyze your ad campaigns more effectively. Think of it as your Swiss Army knife for digital advertising. Once you've located the Tools section, you're going to want to click on Data Manager. This section is where Google Ads starts to talk to other services, including Google Analytics, which is another powerful tool you should be taking advantage of. This integration is where the magic begins, allowing you to track and understand your ad performance in conjunction with user behavior on your site. The next step involves clicking on Google Analytics, Ga4, and Firebase. Ga4, the latest iteration of Google Analytics, offers a more user-centric view of your data, among many other features that help provide deeper insights into how users are interacting with your website. Now it's time to select a Google Analytics or Firebase property. This step is crucial because it designates where exactly your Google Ads data will be sent and analyzed within Ga4. If you have multiple properties, make sure to select the one that corresponds to the website your ads are promoting. This ensures data consistency and accuracy across your analytics and ads platforms. Next, we configure settings and submit. This part of the process is about ensuring the flow of data between your Google Ads and Ga4 account is correctly set up. Pay attention to the settings you are configuring, as they will determine the type of data you receive and how it is reported. This is a good moment to reflect on what exactly you want to track and how you want to measure the success of your ads. Now let's talk about some additional tips to enhance your understanding. 1. Stay organized. When working with multiple properties or accounts, it's easy to get things mixed up. Ensure you're working on the correct account by double-checking your selections at each step. 2. Understand data privacy. Linking Google Ads with Ga4 involves sharing potentially sensitive user data. Ensure you're compliant with all relevant data protection regulations like GDPR or CCPA. 3. Frequent review. Once you've linked Google Ads with Ga4, don't set it and forget it. Regularly review the data and the linkage settings. As your marketing campaigns evolve, you might need to adjust your settings to capture the most relevant data. 4. Leverage. Ga4 insights. Ga4 provides powerful insights and machine learning powered predictions. Use these to understand your audience better and refine your ad strategies. 5. Collaborate and share. If you're working in a team, sharing insights across your organization can lead to more cohesive strategies and better overall performance. Ga4 makes it relatively easy to share reports and insights, so make the most of this functionality. In conclusion, linking Google Ads with Ga4 is a step towards more sophisticated, data-driven marketing. It allows you to understand not just if your ads are effective, but why they're effective, providing you with the insight required to make more informed marketing decisions. Remember, digital marketing is an ever-evolving field, and staying on top of these integrations is key to leveraging their full potential. I hope this guide has been helpful. Follow each step carefully, and you'll be on your way to unlocking deeper insights into your advertising campaigns and website performance. Happy marketing, and may your ROI be ever in your favor.